I stay with it. Yeah.
All right, uncross your legs. Go there,
Okay.
right here. Beautiful.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Let go here, Rick. Shh. That's the ticket.
That's the one. Got it good today.
Thank you very much. I aim to please. Come on over here. Let me have you go face down. Fantastic. We want a little contraction, Joey. Face down right there.
Just a little tingling, but nothing.
So did you get any of my emails for that?
No, I haven't.
Oh, what's going on?
Send it to Anna.
Okay, because I'm sending it to both of your emails.
Oh, Anna should have gotten it. Yeah, I need to know.
Would they be on this?
Maybe it's on the spam. I'll check it out.
Yeah.
You sure? Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead and check that before I leave, because they're gonna need
Yeah,
a.
check it before we leave.
We'll just
Okay.
They're gonna
Rick,
need-
give me this side up, please. On your side looking at me.
They're gonna need a deposit in February.
I'll have one ready.
Okay, good.
Let go here, Rick. A little more. Like that.
That's the
Like
one.
that.
That's the one.
Give me the other side
Hope
up.
you videotape that.
We got it on tape.
Okay, bye.
Scoot over here a little more. Get right on your side like that. Good. Just on your side, yeah. Let it go. Like that.
Good.
Oh yeah, baby. Let me have you go face down.
Working out real well today.
Thank you.
As always.
Gonna release a little bit of this tension up here. And stimulate these nerves a bit. Alrighty. And let's buff this gentleman out. Give him a little bit of EMS, and he'll be ready for a month.
Yes. Back to normal.
All right, Rick, you can get up.
Okay.
Alright.
Look at that, getting up perfectly. How about that? I love it. Back to normal.
Get a little bit of EMS.
Yes.